If you're unable to withdraw funds from expert option, your account likely needs to complete KYC or know your customer verification. So in today's video, we are going to show you the exact steps to verify your expert option account, upload the required documents, and avoid common verification mistakes. Expert option requires identity verification to comply with anti-money laundering or AML regulations and to protect user accounts. So the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Now, let me tell you this. Expert option requires a deposit before the verification process. So go to the left side area of your dashboard and go to finances. Click the deposit option. In our previous videos, we showed how to make deposits using various payment methods including GCash, bank transfers, Visa, and even Binance. So feel free to check them out on our channel if you'd like a step-by-step guide on any of these options. Let's say you choose the payment method for depositing an account. You can choose a different currency. Let's say I am going to deposit my first money here on my account. And then you will be asked to provide a valid identification documents. Please take note, accepted documents includes passport, driver's license, national ID card, and you need to upload clear, high-quality photos or scans showing all documents detail. Make sure the document clearly shows your name, address, and issue date. If you have deposited funds using a bank card or other payment method, expert option may ask you to verify it, and all I have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and upload any requested documents while ensuring sensitive details are protected according to the platform's guidelines. After uploading all required documents, review everything carefully, click Submit to send your verification request for review. Expert Options verification team will review your submitted documents. Processing times may vary depending on the document and account activity. You will receive a notification or email once the review is complete. And that's how you complete a KYC verification and expert option. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.